What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we're going to be taking a look at 5 must-have accessories for the iPhone XS and XS Max for you ballers out there. And for those of you who aren't ballers, don't worry, I made a budget edition version of this video, and I'll have that link down below in the description for you to check out. But let's talk about the first product, and that is this awesome battery case by AudioMod. Now, this is an awesome case because not only does it protect your phone, but it has a built-in battery rated at 4,600 milliamp hours. And basically what that means is that this case is going to be able to charge your phone and then some, but if you keep it on, it's going to give you at least double the battery life. And this is great because we didn't see Apple come out with a battery case for the iPhone X, so we don't know if we're gonna see one for the XS, and I'm sure we're not seeing one for the XS Max. Now, what makes this case even more special than it having a built-in battery is the fact that it has a built-in headphone jack. And this is a great feature to see built right into the phone because unfortunately, the iPhone XS and XS Max no longer even come with a dongle, so there's no chance of getting your headphones plugged in unless you buy a dongle separately or you use something like this where it's automatically built in. You don't need any extra pieces. So for my regular headphone lovers, this is a really nice option because it kills quite a few birds with just one stone. And speaking of audio, we gotta talk about some earbuds that work well with these new phones. Of course, you guys know the AirPods. The AirPods are getting extremely popular. I feel like every time I go outside, I see more and more people with them. But what you won't see them with are custom AirPods like the ones here from Colorware. Now, if you've never heard of Colorware, they custom paint a ton of cool tech products. I've got so many awesome pieces of gear thanks to them. They got some really cool stuff, and you can check their website. You can pick the gear that you want and all the different colors and finishes, from matte to gloss to metallic looking. There are lots of great options. This AirPod I have right here is the space gray version, and my girl Ari has the purple and pink that she picked. She custom chose her own colors. So there are a ton of options for you to choose from if you want to stand out or maybe have your AirPods match your iPhone. And I'll have Colorware's website as well as everything else mentioned in this video linked down below in the description. And if AirPods aren't your style, something definitely worth taking a look at are the Beats X. Now, I've personally been using the Beats X on a daily basis. It's just super convenient, and it's cool because the Beats X also have that W1 chip, which makes pairing them super easy, and you can use them between all of your devices. It's really good stuff. I personally like it because it has that neckband design, which makes keeping the earbuds in place a cinch. You can jog and work out with it, and you don't have to worry about them falling out, which I definitely think is a bonus. Now, if you go to the Apple store and try and pick these up, they'll cost you about 150 bucks. You're ballers, so I know you don't care, but if you go onto Amazon, you can find them for about 100 bucks, which is quite a bit cheaper. And if you're really balling and you don't want no little earbuds, you want some real solid headphones, I definitely think you should check out the Sony 1000X Mark IIIs. Now, these are an awesome pair of over-ear headphones that have great or even the best noise canceling on the market right now, and a ton of other cool features. I'm gonna make a full-blown video about this for you guys, so don't worry, we'll talk about all the ins and outs, but it's nice and lightweight, great materials, great sound quality, and awesome features. So this is something worth looking at if you've really got some money burning a hole in your pocket and you want the absolute best headphones with cool features out on the market. Now, let's say you're not really an audio person, but you love some games on your iPhone. Something you gotta check out is the SteelSeries Nimbus wireless controller. Now, this is a gaming controller similar to what we see on consoles, but it's made for your iPhone and even the Apple TV and iPad. Now, I'm sure we've all gotten used to gaming on a touchscreen, but there are some games out there that are just much better played with a controller, and that's why we have this option. Although I gotta give you guys a heads up, this controller is not compatible with every game in the App Store. There's a specific list of games that this thing works with, and I'll have that link down below in the description if you wanna see if you wanna pick it up. But it is definitely worth it if you wanna play some games. Very comfortable in the hand, and it is just an awesome experience, especially if you've got the Max with that big screen. Now, we spoke to the audio lovers and the gamers out there, but let's talk about our creators. And if you love making videos on your iPhone, you definitely have to try out a smartphone gimbal like the DJI Osmo 2 or the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Now, these are both awesome smartphone gimbals that cost around 130 bucks, in that price range, but they are an indispensable tool when it comes to making videos with your phone. They help to keep your footage really stable and smooth, and they also have a bunch of other features that allow you to get some really creative shots from your phone. As you guys can see, a stabilizer can help keep your phone right in place when you want to get a very specific shot, but holding it in the hand might just be too shaky. Even with optical image stabilization, a stabilizer will take it to the next level when it comes to moving around and capturing a shot. And I'll throw up some footage so you guys can can see what's possible with these gimbals, see the kind of cool shots that you're able to get. But honestly, I have a hard time picking between the two of these. They might have some pros and cons that you might want to check out, but I did want to put both of them on your radar so you can know that these things are out there. And last on this list is something that I've been using for the past few months and taking just about everywhere with me, and that is the Satechi USB-C power delivery hub. Now that USB-C power delivery hub is the important part here because this is what is going to allow your iPhone to fast charge. Unfortunately, the new iPhones do not come with fast chargers within the box, so you're gonna have to go out and buy one separately if you want to take advantage of that feature. And I'm telling you guys, it is worth taking advantage of that feature. You'll be able to charge up your iPhone way faster, which is not something people even complain about, but having access to a much more battery in a short time frame is game changing, trust me. But what makes this hub special and why I think it deserves a spot on this baller list is that it comes with 3 extra USB ports. One of them is even Quick Charge 3.0. So if you happen to travel with a loved one or a friend that happens to use an Android device that can take advantage of that quick charge, it is a nice bonus. And not only are you gonna be able to take care of yourself and a loved one, but you can even charge some more devices with those extra 2 USB ports. And this thing is not only good to take around with you in your backpack or something, but it's great to sit it on a desk as well so that you have your dedicated spots for fast charging or charging multiple devices. Now, in order to take advantage of that fast charging feature, you will need a very specific cable made only by Apple so far, and that is a USB-C to Lightning cable. Apple's the only one who sells them. Anything else that you find on Amazon isn't going to be certified for fast charging and won't be able to do it, so keep that in mind. But since this is the baller edition, I went with the 2-meter version of this cable. It costs a little bit more, but you get some extra length. That way you're not hugging a wall to charge your phone quickly. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Definitely check out the budget edition if you want to save some cash, but still get some really good accessories. And also check the video link down below in the description because I am giving away an iPhone XS and XS Max, so you're gonna want to enter into that giveaway. But till the next one, guys, if you enjoyed it, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.